Welcome back, my favorite student. You are watching Desi English, where we make learning fun and simple. So I hope you are doing great today. So today I'll tell you some idioms and advanced vocabulary that you can use in your daily life, and you will also become a true language pro. So let's get started. So our first word is silent treatment. Do you know what is the meaning of silent treatment? It means when someone becomes angry and to stop talking to you, or you can say like when someone ignore your message. Suppose this morning I sent a message to my friend, but he did not reply to my message. I know he is online, still he hasn't replied to my message. So now I can say my friend is giving me the silent treatment. So do you understand? Silent treatment, it means when someone ignore your message, and when someone becomes angry at you, and when someone ignore your talking to you, and when someone ignore you. And our next phrase is catch on. Do you know what is the meaning of catch on? It means to become popular. Yes, catch on, it means to become popular. If I say in a simple way, so we can say if you work hard on your YouTube channel, for sure one day you will become popular. Yes, if you work hard on your YouTube channel, for sure one day you will become popular. Catch on, it means to become popular. But now we can say in other way, now we can say in advanced way, if you work hard on your YouTube channel, for sure one day you will catch on. Yes, now we can say catch on. Catch on, it means to become popular. And our next phrase is over the moon. Do you know what is the meaning of over the moon? It means extremely happy or joyful. Yes, over the moon, it means extremely happy or joyful. Suppose I can say in a simple way, I am very happy because I got a job today. Yes, in a simple way only we can say I am very happy because we got a job today. But in advanced way we can say I'm really over the moon. Yes, I'm really over the moon because I got a job today. When you use this word really over the moon, so you can also feel, oh my god, what I am saying. Do you know what is the replacement for very tired? Yes, what is the replacement for very tired? Okay, don't worry, you don't know, I'll tell you. Very tired is replacement for exhausted. Yes, exhausted is the replacement for very tired. Suppose I say I am very tired today, so you can say I am exhausted today. Yes, I am exhausted, it means I am very tired. Suppose if you are in United States, you can say I am beat. Yes, you can say only I am beat, it means also I am very tired. And you have also another sentence, you can say I am running on low battery. Yes, I am running on low battery, it means also I am very tired. And our next word is toil. Do you know what is the meaning of toil? It means to work hard. Yes, toil, it means to work hard. Suppose he did not get a job after working hard. Yes, he did not get a job after working hard, but now you can say he did not get a job after toiling. Yes, toiling, it means working hard. So I hope you understand very well, and thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, so please like, comment and subscribe. So till then, take care and bye bye, have a good day.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.